tested it out, tried to configure the entire, DHCP like you would do on the wired side. Someone gets DHCP, they usually get their IP address, they get their DNS and stuff like that, and their domain name suffix. But that does not work on the FTD for RAVPN. Now you can use ICE to actually push those values to a tunnel group policy within the group policy. If you want to dynamically change the group policy information, you can use ICE to actually push the new values. Like, case in point, if you had 60, for some reason you wanted to have 60 different vendors log in, but they only get to log into a single tunnel group, and then you have ICE actually manipulate on the back end. You can say, okay, the DHCP scope range, our scope is going to be this for, if this user in this 80 group, and then if they're in another 80 group, they're going to have a different DHCP scope, and that will go back to your DHCP server and then push the IP address it gets. So what does that actually look like on the FTD side? So you're going to see some things here from a tunnel group perspective, but first we're going to log in here real quick. Don't know why I went to that, but let's go to objects. We're going to object management. And what I mean by in normal, when you create your RAVPN, what you're going to do is you're going to go to, address pools, go to your address pools. And this is the address pool that I created, but it's no longer assigned to the RAVPN. So when we go down to our VPN and we look at our tunnel group, our group policy configurations, we'll go up in here and we'll go to the address assignment. As you can see, there is nothing there, right?